What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wikobi Entertainment. So something like 3 years back ago, there was a dramatic arrest that happened inside the courtroom, and the Chief Justice by then, Zondo, was questioned about his thoughts over this dramatic arrest, and he didn't say anything at that time, but now they've gathered more information over this arrest. And Chief Justice Zondo saw that footage of the arrest, and he made it very clear that the arrest of anybody, let alone a legal practitioner, inside the courtroom is completely unacceptable and should not have happened. This is what Chief Justice Zondo said. There was no justifiable reason at all for the South Africa Police Service to arrest Advocate Teffo inside the courtroom and embarrass him the way that they did. What they should have done was actually to wait for him to leave the courtroom and the court premises, then arrest him then. So this is what Chief Justice Zondo said, the media statement that they released. So let us look closely at this statement that was released by Chief Justice Zondo, this media statement where they were talking about what happened inside the courtroom. The question that I would like to ask is that what happened inside the courtroom with the arrest of Advocate Teffo, was it illegal or unacceptable? Because this is a very important question, instead of going round and round in circles. From what I am seeing, from my observation, there is nothing being said about the legality here, even though the behavior was unethical and demeaning. So I guess the arrest of Advocate Teffo there was legal. So there's nothing illegal about it, even though the behavior was unethical, from my interpretation of this statement that has been released by Chief Justice Zondo. We can also see this even further with the fact that the court itself did not even charge the SAPs for the behavior that they did. No charges were pressed against them, which probably shows us that what they did was legal, even though it was unethical.